Hello, mathematicians. Today we're learning about a new concept called area. We already know that perimeter measures the space that a figure takes up around that figure. So perimeter, we measure the outside. Today we're learning about something called area. Area is the measure of the number of a unit squares needed to cover a flat surface. So basically, a unit square is this piece, and we're figuring out how many of these unit squares it takes to fill the area, how much space is inside that it's taking up. So we're learning about that today. Area is the measurement within a figure. We're going to use these unit squares to find the area within a shape. Now, when you have your unit squares, you're going to be using this to help you figure out how much is in there. We can use line paper to help us figure that out very simply. Each unit square is one connected square. So here is one unit right here. So this rectangle is 2 units. The area for this particular figure is 2. 1, 2, because there's 2 squares that take up this space. Let's try this one. This one is taken up by 1, 2, 3, 4 unit squares. So the area of this shape is 4 units. Remember, area is inside of the figures, the shapes. Any guesses about this one? Let's go ahead and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to do the rest on the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. This rectangle is 8 units of area. If you have any questions about that, you can go ahead and take the chance to go ahead and type in that question right now in our Edpuzzle. Thanks for sharing any concerns or questions you have. Let's try one more. This one says, draw 3 different figures that are each made from 4 unit squares. Find the area of each perimeter. Well, it says that we have to use 4 unit squares. So I'm going to go ahead and start drawing that out. If I want to use 4 unit squares, I can go ahead and do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is my first figure. It is a rectangle. And it has an area of 4 units. So I have 4 squares inside. That's not the only one I can do. It says figures. That doesn't mean I have to do rectangles. I could also do a square. So let's go ahead and try that one. 1, 2, and to make a square, I have to make sure it's even. So on the bottom, I'm going to do 3, 4. Here is my second figure. It is a square, and it has 4 units to cover the area. What else could I make? Go ahead and type in something else that I could make. Thanks for sharing your ideas. Here's one more thing I could do. I could also do a rectangle that is vertical. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4 units to cover the area, but it is now vertical. What else could you make? I can't wait to see your drawings today.